Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are staying safe. So today I have uploaded a video, basically a tutorial video on working with MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Before going further, don't forget to subscribe my channel and I'll make sure to keep you posted with all updates and notifications. So in this video, I'm going to help you in understanding MCA portal and to make it friendly to you all. This video will definitely be helpful for those who are aspiring CA students, freshers and investors. I'll try to explain it in layman language so that it can be understood by all the viewers. So go to MCA first, write www.mca.gov.in and here we are on the home page. So have a look. It contains news and important updates, some filing related information, stakeholders corner, some government official links. So this portal includes two types of information, one as a company and one as an investor. Companies are using for their compliance and filing part and investors are using in their research and inspection part. What is research and inspection part? I'll explain it in my next video. So you can access company law ebooks from this tab. This is a e-version of Companies Act. Search Companies Act 2013 if you want to search any specific act or section. So let's go one by one from the tab section. So about MCA, this is basically a charter of MCA on which MCA works. If you want, you may read the same. Next is acts and rules. From here, you can access all acts and rules that are applicable to an Indian company. Also, these are updated ones with all the notification and amendments. Whenever MCA notifies or some information and circulars, so these acts already incorporated the same. Next is my workspace and that will be operative when you logged in. So we will take this tab in more detail in my next video, how to log in and how it will work after logging. Now the important part of MCA is MCA service tab. So let's have a look. This is a very vast step, so it may take another video to cover the same. So first is DSC service. See, if you are a nodal officer, a director, a company secretary, deputy nodal officer, then you register your DSC and update the same from this corner. Next is DIN service, which is related to the director, its application, verification, its yearly KYC. It works from this corner. Master data. This may be the important tab of this MCA portal. So I'm going to explain you how to view master data of any company on MCA portal. It may contain other information like view signatory details. Signatory details are the directors and CFO of the companies. View companies director under prosecution, companies LLP registered in last 30 days, director master data. So as of now, I'm going to explain you view company or LLP master data. If you don't know the exact name, you can search the same from here. Company LLP name, we can simply search Tata Consultancy and just press search option. This is Tata Consultancy Services Limited. Need to enter the captcha. And press submit. This is limited. You can extract this in company name, ROC code. ROC code means from where the company is registered under the register of companies. This is company limited by shares. Class of company public, it's authorized capital, paid up capital. It's the registered address of the company which is recorded in the registrar of companies books is 9th floor Nirmal building, Nariman Point, Mumbai. email ID of the official of this company, whether listed or not. This is listed. Date of last AGM, date of balance sheet, company status of filing is active, charges which are closed and open, director signatory details, like the one who are with DIN are the directors of the company, and the one who have occupied the PAN number are they must be the CFO and company secretary of the company. Their date of appointment, you can print and save the same in Excel format or PDF. So likewise, we can view signatory details by entering company's name, and likewise we can view the director's master data by entering DIN number of the specific director, and by this you can view the details of director in which he holds directorship. Some options are logged. So you may have a question that why these are logged. So this is for the reason that you will gather this information through login. These are open to public but in login mode. So next is LLP service. This corner is related to LLP, limited liability partnership. LLP service for business users, e-filing. This is relevant to companies in compliance and filing part. Company service, as the name suggests, belongs to company's compliance part. Now the complaint option. Basically, there are two kinds of complaints you can lodge with MCA portal. One is service related complaints and other one is investor serious complaints. So if you are from a company side and you are facing any technical issue while filing, then you may raise your concern with this tab, create service related complaint. And if you are an investor and facing technical issue while contacting with MCA or filing any form related to investor, then you create your complaint and raise your concern with this, and you can track the same from this option. Any feedback and suggestion can also be given to MCA portal. Now this is document related service. So you have three options to get the documents of the company. First is get certified copies. In this option, company will provide you the certified copies of their annual returns or balance sheet, whatever you may ask for. A certified copy means a stamped and initialed copy. View public documents. You may view the public documents of any company which you wished for. It may contain a fee, a 100 rupee fee for each company for 3 hours. You may extract any kind of document related to incorporation, filing, annual returns, balance sheet. Request for scanned document. You may request for scanned documents from the company, but it may take 15 to 20 days. This is a payment section. You can track and pay any kind of duty or charges to MCA. IPF 5, this is a bit technical and I'll explain it to you in my next video. Track SRN, address, public search of trademark, these all are kind of informational services. You may extract the same as and when need. Data and reports, you may gather some information on the basis of Nidhi companies, monthly MCA newsletter, monthly information bulletin, other reports. It's a kind of library. Next is contacts. You can access contact details of MCA, Ministry of State for Corporate Affairs, Regional Director, ROC, Official Liquidators, Cost Audit Branch, Nodal Officers, and the last is help and FAQ. So if you are facing any technical issue on any option as shown here, you can contact MCA for that. So if you want any kind of special emphasis on any special tab or option, you may please post on this comment section and I'm happy to help you. Lastly, if you want to know any tab in detail, any specific information or how to work with MCA, just let me know through comment section, and thanks for watching. Thank you and wait for my next video. Take care.